Hey guys, welcome to new video of Menaž here. Remember this guys, I didn't sell that. I actually tried to sell that, but I didn't get price to be satisfied, so I decide on the end to just recover that gold from it. In this video I will not use nitric acid like the last time. I will use a Menaž process, Menaž method. That is that gold stripping, simple gold stripping solution. So I will add this connector to a bucket. I will cover that with the hydrochloric acid, add 1 cup of sulfuric acid to protect copper, then I will add nitric acid to make aqua regia with the hydrochloric acid. The gold will go in the solution and the copper will stay solid. Some copper will go in the solution, not too much. Then, because all that plastic inside, I will just all the rest I will add in my stock pot to slowly dissolve that copper and cement some mixed gold. Yeah, so last time from this I get from 1 kilogram of this I get half gram of gold. So here I got 100 kilogram and 50 gram. So I expect more, half a gram of gold, maybe 0.6. We will see on the end. Okay, so let's put that on the bucket and let's do that simple gold stripping Menaž method. Okay guys, so finally it's finished. Here in this beaker I drive that powder from that connector, which I use Menaž process, that gold stripping solution, call it whatever you want. So the gold, this is how look after a double refine. Still not a perfect color, but it's almost a pure gold. Well, that gold from the last time looked much better in this little box, but I am satisfied. So in my first video about that connector on the beginning of this series, I get half gram of gold from 1 kilogram of connector. So right now I want to see how much actually I got the gold using this different other process. Well, 0.4 gram. And you see, the color is not the best. The color is much different than my last video gold. So here, yeah, my scale still not correct, maybe something more. You see how the gold look different than my last video gold from that small ceramic and from that SMT ceramic oscillators. But yeah, you see, it's almost, right now it show almost 0.5 gram. 0.4, between 0.4 and 0.5 gram of gold. So basically it's the same like in the last time. So the process is not important. That connector contain about half kilogram of gold per 1 kilogram connectors. So it's a bad plating no matter which process you use. Do you use stripping solution, or you use nitric solution to remove foil, or you use maybe reverse electroplating? But for reverse electroplating you need to remove that plastic from the connectors. Here in this little plastic jar I got about 5.5 gram of gold right now. This is from my couple of last videos. In the similar container I keep the gold from the first 500 modem series. I don't want to mix that because that is a pure gold, and this I still need to refine again to get high purity on the end. Okay, so like I said, we use a different process. The same amount of connector is give approximately same amount of gold. Yeah. Okay guys, so definitely what I want to show you with this type of videos is that different items on the electronic contain different amount of gold. So you have a kilogram connector from one type of electronic, and you can have a kilogram connector from other type electronic, and you will probably get half gram of gold from one, and maybe 5-6 even more gram of gold from other type of electronic. It's the same with the chip, with the IC chip. In my gold recovery experience, I across even on the BGA who has have copper bonding wire, so that BGA give nothing in the gold return. So you never can expect same yield in the gold recovery and refining hobby or business, because your ICs, your connector, your pins, your CPUs will never be from the same electronic. It's never be from the same country, manufacturing country. It's never be for the same purpose. So you always get a different yeah. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe May gold have fun, and I will see you soon in the next video with some other fun project. Okay, see you around, guys.